This week we have been waterproofing Brian's basement. So we put an entire perimeter system along with feed line through the middle of his basement floor. We upgraded his sump pump to a TripleSafe, so he has a battery backup as well as 2 other primary pumps. And we also are covering the walls with CleanSpace, so any water or moisture that may get through his walls will be redirected into our system. I was able to speak with Brian, and he has dreams one day of putting in a home theater downstairs. So first step in order was to make sure it's dry down there. So I'm looking forward to what Brian is going to be able to achieve once he knows that this is completely dry.
My approach to customer service is we wow the customer. Whatever we got to do to make them happy, we do it. Even if it's hard, even if it's more difficult, we're going to do it just so we can give them that wow experience.
When we started this project, Brian had let me know that he was able to move all of the flooring out of our way. And he also mentioned that he's going to throw it away once he gets the chance. I was happy to let him know that we could toss those belongings away from him, no problem. Just knowing that we could take one thing off of Brian's plate, we were happy to help. If you're wondering who to go with, you'll have a great experience with Ayers. Not only will you'll achieve your goal as far as achieving a dry basement or supporting your foundation, but you're gonna get the chance to interact with some really great people, not only on the contracting side of things, but on the personal side of things. It's just a company filled with a lot of great people, and we're impacting the world every day, so why not choose us? The guys have been working tenaciously and proficiently, getting things done with a great attitude. So yeah, it just feels good knowing that we're gonna achieve another dry basement for a homeowner.